All right, guys, we are going to be unboxing the DIY Mambo today in this box right here. The tools you're going to need to assemble and unbox are scissors, a box cutter, a T4 Torx screwdriver, which we will provide, and a measuring tape. So let's get started. All right. So the contents of the box are coming as follows. Your motors, 2 motor C, 2 motor A, a Mambo central body, that's the main frame of the drone, holes to protect your propellers, Mambo covers, mostly aesthetic pieces, but some hold the drone together as well, the motherboard, and your battery and charger, and lastly propellers, the T4 Torx screwdriver I mentioned earlier, and your packet of screws.